Good morning. Trying my first video. I'm trying to show the steps of yogurt preparation using the GroAxo A2 Gir Cow Milk. As you can see, a 500 ml milk was used, poured in the pan in the bowl for boiling, kept for boiling in slow flame, mixed occasionally. Once it comes to boil, you mix it thoroughly and you continue to mix it to avoid any cream formation initially. After the boiling point, continue to keep heating it for 5 more minutes while mixing. While the milk is getting cooled, use fresh yogurt starting culture. Put it on the base of the container where you want to prepare the yogurt. Get the milk to a lukewarm stage around 35 to 40 degrees Celsius at ideal temperature for the yogurt culture to multiply and work properly. Pour the lukewarm milk gently to fill the glasses. Avoid disturbing it here on to the extent possible. Cover it and try keeping it in a place where it remains undisturbed, mostly an insulated place where outside air doesn't come in or the temperature doesn't change. Keep it incubated overnight, maybe around 6 to 8 hours, and then this is what we found in the morning, 8 o'clock today. In order to check the setting of the yogurt, we are trying to scoop or cut a slice out of the glass, and it's crisp, clean cut, confirming that the yogurt is well settled, it's well set. And the taste, for sure, you can check for yourself.